Today we are talking about a game-changing tool that helps to keep my life as a medical student, as a FutureDoc tutor, and my personal life in sync. And that is Notion. So before we begin, what is Notion? Notion is a free platform where you can build and create a ton of different boards, databases, tasks, and documents. I have been using Notion personally for years and I absolutely love it. Let's dive into the first category, which is how I use Notion as a medical student. Very early on in my first year of medical school, I realized that making handwritten notes was just not going to work for me. There is just so much content and so much to go through, and I quickly transitioned from making handwritten notes to making online notes. And that is where I discovered Notion. I have been using Notion to create dedicated spaces for different subjects and topics, allowing me to organize lecture notes, study plans, and even create revision plans. Something I really love about Notion is that it is an online-based app, which means that I can access it from anywhere. Whether I am at uni, at the hospital, or at home, I can log onto any computer or I can just go onto my phone if I need to access some of my notes, for example. This is so much easier than carrying books and handwritten notes with me everywhere. One of my favorite features is creating databases. This is where I keep and create all of my revision notes, and I can add tags to label each of the pages. I can include toggles where I can test myself, which are really helpful for revision, and I can add the date and the time, which can help me to schedule revision plans. You can create and design endless pages and databases on Notion, but if you are unsure about how to get started and how to make them, then Notion also has loads of free templates for you to use and make your own. By the way, if you are interested in finding out more about how to create study plans, then check out our UCAT study plan video, which is linked in the description below. Moving on to the second category, this is how I use Notion in my role as a FutureDoc tutor. Now, I have been a tutor with FutureDoc for quite a while now, and being a tutor isn't just about sharing knowledge, but also about providing tailored and unique support for each of our students. Notion helps each of our FutureDoc tutors to do this because we create a centralized hub where all of our student profiles live. For example, we create unique and tailored student profiles for every single one of our students, which has all of the information regarding their medical or dental school application in one place. This means that all of the information is really easy to find and we can track progress as time goes on. We also help to create individual study plans for exams like the UCAT or the GAMSAT, for example. It is so important to have a plan and to know what you're doing and what you're aiming for. Notion also helps me a lot in my creative process in my work. Being part of the FutureDoc team means that communication is essential, and Notion makes our lives so much easier to connect as a team, to share ideas, and to see everything in one place. If you are struggling with your medical or your dental school application and would like some of this tailored and individual support, then check out our website to see how we can help. Finally, Notion seamlessly combines every other area of my life, including my personal life. For example, I use Notion to track all of my income and my expenses, which is really useful for students to do. I also use Notion to journal and write things down, and I also use Notion to plan my days and my weeks using to-do lists and databases. It really is so cool that I can have everything from revision notes to work pages to personal to-do lists in one place. So there you have it. That was a brief overview of how Notion is really my secret weapon to keep my entire life on track. If you found these insights valuable, then don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more medical and dental school application content. And for those of you who are ready for some extra support and to take control of your application, then consider enrolling on our one-on-one course, and the link for that is in the description. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.